Namaste and a very happy new year to all of you. First of all, I'm extremely sorry because I have not uploaded any video since quite a long time. Duty as a mother calls, you see. But yes, I am glad to be back. Also, thank you very much for the beautiful comments I have got on my videos. It really motivates me to do more. And lastly, again, Happy New Year to all my subscribers, all the people who are waiting eagerly for the videos. Thank you so much. So today what we are going to do is, we are going to do a video on baselines. So yes, you will ask me, what exactly are baselines? Baselines are when you write something. Now this is not a ruled paper. This is an unruled paper. So you exactly come to know what is the baseline of a particular word, sentence. Here, if you see this, an imaginary line that I can draw below my words, below my letters, below my sentences is a baseline. So now you will ask me, what are we going to learn from these simple baselines? I mean, really? Yes. Trust me, you can know a lot about a person even from the baselines. Baselines actually teach you goals, targets, focus, and objectivity in life. They actually let you know how focused a person is, how pessimistic, optimistic a person is. So yes, you get to know a lot of things. Just by looking at a paper, you will come to know, okay, that's straight, nah, that's not straight. So yeah, a very simple thing, just a glance and you get to know so many things about a person. That's really great, right? Let's see how. So this is a sentence I have written in 3 ways. If you're lucky, I'm going to show you the 4th bonus way also. These are quite common baselines, but yes, there are many more others also. So if you find any different baseline and you would like to know what does that mean, please message me and I'll get back to you. Okay, for now, this, if you see, it is pretty much straight. Yeah. See. Now this is what I call a straight baseline. Straight baseline, the person is more focused, the person has got a lot of clarity of thoughts, is very normal, subtle, not too positive, not too negative in life. Yes. How do you say it? I have actually written the sentence as graphology is a science, and yes, it is. I will show you a very small thing which is very common sense thing. Let me show it to you. See, now this is a square, okay? I have a person standing here and I have asked that person to reach here. So what is the easiest and quickest way to go there? If I go down, straight, yes. Now, but there are people who would love to go like this, who would love to go like this, or who would love to go, okay, finally I reached, yes. So there are a lot of ways in which you can reach this line, but the simplest, quickest way is the straight one. So now you can understand that a person with a straight baseline reaches their goals very quickly, has got a lot of clarity of thoughts, knows exactly where I have to go, doesn't wander here and there to reach the end. So that's the straight baseline for you. Now this one, if you see, oh, whoa, very much dancing baseline we have, which is a very baseline. So with common sense, I'm sure you've got it. that this baseline, the person has no clarity of thoughts, doesn't know where to go, and lacks guidance. So if you see anyone with this kind of baseline, the least you can do is guide the person in their tasks. So whatever, it's not about the baseline, it comes to your life. You should see in life where that person goes, and that person might lead a lot of guidance, and with your guidance that person might reach their goals pretty much early than expected. This is the last. This goes down, 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 down. So this is what I call a descending baseline. So other than the person not having clarity of thoughts and all, this person is a very pessimistic person. Really will find all the negative things in life, and maybe because of that they are not able to reach their goals. Because every time they plan on doing something, that person is so pessimistic. Should I do it? Should I not do it? No, I'm sure this is not going to be turning out good. So no. So when they can reach faster, they are slower because they are very pessimistic in life. And yes, these are the 3 baselines, very common baselines you might find. One bonus baseline I'm going to tell you. It is the 4th one, which is 2 descending. Now this is a descending baseline, I agree. But I have seen people writing baselines down, 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 and in the paper you will exactly see that the baseline is going so down. So other than that person being pessimistic and all, those people are complete attention seekers. So beware, and you will get to know who is actually seeking attention. Yeah. So yes, those are the 4 baselines for you. Like I said, there are a lot of others also, but if you have any doubts and want to know anything more, you can message me, you can comment on the YouTube channel. Also, I have a message for you that being a graphologist, I actually analyze people's handwriting also. So if any time you want to get your handwriting analyzed, please get back to me. I am here just for you. Thank you so much. Have a lovely year ahead, and this time I'm going to make sure to upload pretty soon. Bye bye.